Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are talking about something that is going to completely blow your mind. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you will never look at a motorhome the same way again. This is not a camper. This is not an RV. This is a rolling penthouse, a moving mansion, and one of the most exclusive luxury vehicles ever built on the face of this earth. So let's get into every single detail: exterior, interior, performance, and price, because trust me, this one deserves every second of your attention. Starting with the exterior, because the moment you lay eyes on this machine, you know something special is happening. The towering height, long wheelbase, and wide body give it an unmistakable road presence that simply cannot be ignored. Dynamic Research Journal's Brabus stayed true to their signature style on this one. The luxury motorhome is finished in high-gloss black with carbon fiber accents, and the illuminated Brabus logo in the radiator grille alongside additional LED headlights on the roof bar complete the exterior appearance. Motor1.com: when you walk around this vehicle, you notice how every panel, every line, every surface has been designed with surgical precision. Carbon accents, blacked-out trim, aerodynamic elements, and oversized wheels give it a more aggressive look than any traditional RV. It feels closer to a luxury expedition vehicle than a camper. Nigerian Met Society: and here is the party trick. Once the 4 slide-outs are deployed and the home is stabilized on self-adjusting legs, the ultra-modern all-black interior is ready for guests and everyday living. Auto Evolution: just imagine parking this beast at a campsite. People would stop and stare. Guaranteed. Now let's step inside, because this is where Brabus truly separates itself from everything else on the planet. The first ever Brabus motorhome is 12 meters long, that's 39.3 feet, and offers more than 30 square meters of living space, for berths for sleeping, a spacious lounge and dining area, a full kitchen, and a bathroom other RVs can only dream of. Auto Evolution: the moment you walk through that door, you forget you are inside a vehicle. Premium leather upholstery with signature Brabus detailing, a spacious lounge area with plush seating, ambient LED lighting, and high-quality wood, metal, and soft-touch interior finishes create a calm, upscale environment designed for long stays. Tom Ford Law: the dining area is positioned right behind the driver's cab with a pair of bespoke Brabus leather sofas perfect for entertaining guests on the road. The kitchen is an absolute dream. You get a 2-burner induction stove, an electric oven, an oversized fridge with a separate freezer, a dishwasher, and even a wine cooling rack with a separate glass rack. Carbon fiber is used alongside black woods to deliver that very specific Brabus feel. You will see carbon trim on the fridge and on the furniture. Auto Evolution: the bathroom section is unlike anything you have ever seen in a motorhome. It is divided into 3 different rooms, each with a specific functionality: an open-plan lavatory on one side, and a shower room and toilet room on the other, with all black fixtures and dark gray contrasts. Auto Evolution: and the bedroom at the rear features a transversely placed king bed with integrated storage, mirrored wardrobes, an expandable desk, and a second large-screen smart TV. Auto Evolution: for entertainment and connectivity, the motorhome has a complete system with smart TV, PlayStation 5, a powerful audio system, and a Starlink satellite kit, so you can access the internet even in the most remote areas of the world. Motor1.com. Now let's talk performance, because this is still a Brabus product and performance is always part of the conversation. Beneath the hood sits a robust 12.8-liter 6-cylinder turbodiesel engine generating 530 horsepower with a maximum torque of 2,600 Newton-meters, and the motorhome runs on a 3-axle chassis with twin rear tires to ensure the ride is as safe as it is comfortable. Rob report: now yes, the top speed is limited to about 56 miles per hour, and that makes perfect sense given what we are dealing with here. This thing tips the scales at 26 tons. Rob report: but what impresses me is how refined the driving experience actually is. Air suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, and on highways it feels stable and composed. In urban areas, steering assistance and driver aids help manage its large footprint, making it surprisingly manageable. Nigerian Met Society: Brabus engineered this chassis not just for power, but for the kind of smooth, confident, effortless touring that a vehicle of this class demands. Advanced braking systems, adaptive cruise control, and electronic stability control are all part of the package because when you are driving a 26-ton luxury home down the motorway, you want every single safety net available. And finally, the price. This is the part that separates the dreamers from the buyers. Pricing starts around 1.2 million euros and can exceed 1.5 million euros depending on customization, and production will be extremely limited with most units built to order. Nigerian Met Society, that is right, we are talking about a vehicle that costs more than most people's houses. But when you consider what you are getting, the German engineering, the hand-stitched leather, the Starlink internet, the carbon fiber everything, the 530 horsepower diesel powertrain, and 30 square meters of pure luxury living space, the price suddenly starts to make sense. This is not just a motorhome, this is a statement. A lifestyle. A one-of-a-kind masterpiece on wheels that only a very select few people in the world will ever own. So that is the 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome. Exterior perfection, interior heaven, monstrous performance, and a price tag that matches its legendary status. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop a comment below telling me if money was no object, would you park this beast in your driveway? I will see you in the next one.